What are you doing? All right, we're back to Module 6 for Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade. This is Lesson 6, page 35. This is still me, Mr. Short. All right, today, only 2 problems on page 35, nothing on the back. All right, so it says, remember, compare the fractions by using greater than, equal to, or less than. Explain your thinking by using pictures or numbers. So we have 5/4 and 7/3. Well, these are not the same, right? Fourths and thirds, they're not the same. So we need to get these bottom numbers the same. So to get them the same, we multiply them by each other. Remember this before. So we're going to multiply 4 by 3, which means 5 by 3, and then 3 by 4, and then 7 by 4. So now let's do that. So we have 4 times 3 is 12, right? Over here, 3 times 4 is 12. Now we have 5 times 3, 15. 7 times 4 is 28. So which one is bigger? 28. Because when the bottom number is the same, the bigger number will be the number on top, right? Whichever one's bigger on top. All right. This one says use multiplication to show how 2 tenths equals 20 hundredths. So 2 over 10, how does that equal 20 over 100? Well, kind of just like what we did up here, but we need just to change the 10 to 100. How do you get 10 to 100? 10 says multiplication times 10. So we'd have to do 2 times 10. 2 times 10, 20. 10 times 10, 100. That's it. That was it for this one. Hey, I hope this is helping. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Let your friends, neighbors, cousins, aunts, uncles, anyone who might be able to use this, let them know about this. Like I said, my goal is just to help people. The more people that help, the more likely I am that I can help, the more likely I am to keep going with this, because I want to make sure that everyone's getting the help they need. All right. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 6. I'm Mr. Short, and I hope you have a good night.